severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Mills, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Lake Mills, Waterloo, Axonia, Lebanon, Milford, Richwood, Pipersville, Huddleton, and Lake Lac La Belle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
So good morning so far.